What's up, guys? Today we have an awesome video. We love Stranger Things over here, so that's the type of cake that we did with a Valentine's theme. Okay, so for the Demogorgon, we're going to cut out a shape that looks like a flower with fondant, and with kitchen scissors, just do this to make the fondant look like teeth, and then just paint it with red and black. Cut the cake in a heart shape, add your icing, and if you watched our other videos, you know that we love chocolate. So that's the icing that we chose, and we did a crumb coat. Okay, and for the fondant, we used a butter yellow. We wanted to look like stacked waffles. And for the around the cake, we're cutting out some strips of fondant. Okay, and just add them around the cake. It would be a lot easier and better if the strips were longer, but who cares? Nobody's gonna look into all that detail. Okay, so now we place some fondant in the waffle maker so it can look like a waffle, and just place it on top of the cake. Okay, and with the same kitchen scissors, just cut out any extra fondant. Okay, and as you can see, it looks a little bit messy in the back, but don't worry, nobody's going to be looking back there. So we placed the Demogorgon in the front, and the figures, my sister made them out of clay, and they are so cute. And if you can't tell, that's Mike and 11. Also added some whipped cream to the top with some candy. Used M&Ms. You can use whatever you want. Okay, and this is what it looks like, all finished. It's so cute. I love it. Hope that you like this video too. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.